first day at Cedar Point, but we're not in the hotel we're staying at. We got in late last night, so we just stayed. Shannon set up a Holiday Inn down the road. We're staying at the resort inside Cedar Point. So we're going to get our tickets early, hopefully be able to check in early, but if not, then we go to the park for a while and then we'll check in later. So we got to pack up everything from this Holiday Inn and then head that way now. Miles watching reruns of Ninja on Twitch, not brushing his teeth yet. Sawyer ready to roll. Want me to edit a video that he did last night, but we don't have time right now. Gracie ready to roll. Say hi, Gracie. Get it, boy, get it. A little windy right now, but it's,
help me.
I don't know what the weather is. It's supposed to be like 75, but it feels a huge difference considering in Nashville it was like 100 and some degrees. So the kids are saying it's cold and I'm really liking it. So the sky looks really cool, but I think it's supposed to clear up by, the cloud cover is supposed to disappear by later. So it should be a nice day. These kids can actually be good.
I only like the heat at Nashville. One's from New York and one's from, what's that from?
Illinois.
And this one's from New York. England! Ohio.
Miles been obsessed with Teslas lately. No. Don't talk, because it's somebody's car. Come on, let's go. This is actually a Model 3. This one's not, this is the least expensive one. That one's the not as expensive, and that one's a super expensive one. Well, it depends on which one you get. I don't think that one has all the bells and whistles.
Let's go!
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be?
What? Yeah. Ninja had a new emote. It was the endless dab or infinite dab, where it just keeps dabbing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with
You're okay, ready?
Hope to start to respect airmail, please maintain a pace forward, keep on butterflies in the right. Are you guys ready?
Here we go!
Here we go.
Yay! Look at big girl! Should have had Shannon recording when I played the basketball game and won. Miles and Shannon got fast pass, so they're going on the Maverick right now, and we're eating, chilling. So this is going to be the majority of our day is this. We got to find some rides for Sawyer. But hopefully with the fast pass, they won't be going long every time. I think it's worth the money. Hello, Gracie. You want a French fry? There you go.
moon is full, stars are bright. I called you up just to hear your voice.
I guess Miles had a meltdown, didn't go on the Maverick, so we made our way over to the Iron Dragon, which he went on last year, so they're going on that now, but I have a feeling that the Fast Pass may have been a bust for him, but that's all right. Maybe he'll be into it later, I don't know. But we're sitting here waiting while they go on the Iron Dragon. I just got a text that our room is available and ready, which is like 4 hours early, so that's another bonus. So 2 days in a row we got our rooms early, or 3 days, 2 days? I don't know, couple hotels. We've been to 3 hotels now in the last couple days, but we were able to check in early at the last 2, so that's awesome. But Gracie's a little wore out, Sawyer's a little bored because we were just sitting around waiting for them, but so we're gonna talk to them, we may go get the room set up while they go on rides and stuff. I don't know, waiting for Shannon to get back. Are you tired? She is not having it. You can't help but smile, can you?
Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it
Still waiting for the Iron Dragon. The thing sucks about the Iron Dragon is it's not on the fast pass, so it does us no good, or it does them no good having the fast pass. Oh, they're coming off right now. I don't know what we're gonna do, but after we go back to the hotel, I'm leaving the DSLR there, and I'm just gonna be using the iPhone after that, so forgive the quality. Well spent. Slow down. Hello.
Sit over here, shot number 3, you got it. Almost. And that money ball cash it for 2. Up and out of there. Alright, got this bud. Take your time. We need a couple more points. Take your time.
Take your time, take your time.
A little bit short, push it up there. You're
take your time.
Money ball for 2.
Oh. That's more my speed. Level 1.
Level 1.
Put your hands up, guys. Miles, put your hands up. Whoa. Whoa. This is the life. This is what I'm talking about.
flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide.
Hello. That's it for today's vlog. I'm beat. The kids are beat. Shannon's in the shower. She's beat. So it's like 10:30 now. I'm gonna try to edit this vlog, get it set up for tomorrow, and yeah, it's gonna be it. Not sure how much I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because it's just gonna be repetitive. We're gonna be doing the same stuff. We're supposed to be at the water park, so I'll have my iPhone with me. We'll see what happens. Thanks guys for watching.